racetrack today, and my brother Felix is here. So we're gonna take pictures right here. My brother's on top. So we're gonna turn it on and take pictures. You can see we flip it. We even take videos. So that's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be the end, and the winners go into it if they're the winner. And then Felix, thinking maybe we could make a winner spot. Winner spot. Could go right there, and all the winners go there. So Felix, let's get to building.
Drumming on the beat. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them on the road.
So first we build it. So now let's see the cars go down. First is Donut right here. So let's get to this race. Yeah, I'm gonna be ready for the video. I saw it. Oh, Marty, that was 19 speed. Next is race car. So let's get to racing. Ready? Yep. Did you see it? No. Really fast one is going next. Felix, show them. Let's get to the race. He already got in the way. Ready? Camera. I'm ready. 2, 1, go! Next is Big Boss. Wee black. Wee black. Let's get to the race. Now, he was 11 seconds. Now that's pretty fast. What's his name? Number 1. Yeah, number one is going next. Show. Let's get to the race. Let's go. He was 9 seconds. Next is Silver Good. He got hurt.
More.
Let's get to the race.
Wait. Here.
He sang yesterday. Let's get to the race, Prix. Prix, stop. No, Felix, stop doing this. Next is Park Ranger car. Let's get to the race. Oh, ready. Woo! He was 16 seconds. Mini Fast is going next. Show them. Let's get to the next one. Let's get to the race.
Wait.
Ready? Touchdown. Okay, here's 8 seconds. 9 seconds. Let's clap for him. Thank you. Next. You're welcome. Next car. What's his name? Red Fast?
No.
Red Fast.
2.
30 is going next.
2.
Show them.
Wait there.
Let's get to the race.
Wee black down.
2 seconds.
Huh?
2 seconds.
King Papa.
Green Grandpa.
Gathering green. Papa.
I took a picture that time. Okay, let's get to the next car. What's his name? Blue is next.
Blue yellow.
Okay, that was 3 seconds. 4 seconds. Pink broken. Let's go next. Let's get to the race.
Monster.
Felix, Felix, the race. We got the monster truck. Yeah. No. Nope yet. He said nope. What's his name?
No,
Shark. Shark?
Yeah.
Next is Shark.
Daddy. Daddy, I got already name.
8 seconds. 9
Win!
seconds. He was one of the winners. Let's wait up here for him while the other cars go. He's the middle one. This is best.
Two big one.
He's in the lead of all the others. The monster truck's the best one. Dino. Dino's going next. Dad, put your phone there. Phone there. Let's go. Go, Pete. Did you see that? That was pretty good. He's going second right here.
Oh, I'm really what? 18 miles.
18 miles. That's pretty good.
No, where the other one?
Here.
I am 18 miles. A cool one? Big.
So his name is Greenie.
Come.
Let's go.
Yeah, give me.
Let's go. Ooh, he's coming.
One milk. One cocoa.
He was actually the loser of this race. He got stuck on tape. There's a consequence. So there's a screwdriver, and there's holes in a box, and he's gonna get hit maybe. We'll see. Did you poke him? Let's see.
Keep going. How many pokes do you get?
3, and he got 3. He got him. Okay, this card got the consequence. Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to give it